Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows, on how you can repair the registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, you need to type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then here in the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Do not forget to click Run as Administrator so that the command will work. Then here in the black window for command prompt with administrative rights, type here S sub C space / scan now. It's S of C space / scan now, as you can see on the screen. So you have to hit the enter key on your keyboard. So what this process will do is that this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violation. So this is a very helpful fix. Now, once the process is still going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize, but do not close the window. And once this is completed, then just simply close out of here. Then click on the Windows search bar again, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type this command, DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. Now this will repair your Windows image, and this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. There is no specific duration for the process. So what you can do is do not close the window unless it is completed. You can just simply minimize, and here is a tip. Additional tip, if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, then just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard until the process will continue. You just have to be patient on that, and then once done, just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Now you have this option, reset this PC, click on it, but here's a very important reminder. You have to back up everything on your Windows before you can go on with this process. You have to back up all your data, personal files, apps, and settings. After done with that, click on remove everything. And here you have to click on cloud download, and this will reset your PC, and after that you just need to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.